So to explain Project Lombok, I have created one Maven project name is Lombok Library. All the examples which we are cover in this course will be found here, and also you can take it from the GitHub link. So let me walk through this basic project structure, and first we will see the pom.xml file, what it has. So this file has the project basic details, means the group ID, artifact ID. Then I have set some of the properties in order to run it with the Java 8, and the source encoding I have set to UTF-8. All right. The most important thing here is to have this dependency. This is the Lombok dependency, which you need to have in your project in order to work with the Lombok. You can find this dependency in the Maven repository, so or you can take it from here also. All right. And I have a plugin, one plugin in this project. This is the plugin details. So this is the basic POM which I have set up for the project. Then I have created one main application class. Okay, so this is the class where we are going to call our other classes of the project. And also I have created two model classes named with student with Lombok and student without Lombok. So let me open first this. So these are two classes with the student entity. Okay. First, in this class, we will see how the thing works without Lombok, and then we will see how the things work with Lombok in this class. All right. So this is the basic structure of the project, and we will continue to use this in our examples.